show these hoes behind, said I wouldn't be nothing, gotta show these hoes. Only hang with niggas, the whole ass shit be getting old. G-lock my pocket, just like a bankroll, we gon' make them fold. Matter of fact, the one I got, they can't even fold. I'm in the room with one of the thickest hoes, got me like whoa. Bitch, me and bro post up with a bag of G-lock, don't get sold. I never know what a nigga think, so I don't trust a soul. Before with a whole nigga really think, me and bro on the way to the bank. Exotic strands, exotic gas, I'm blowing the shit they can't. The fan wanted me to be like them, but I told my mom I ain't. Gotta get rich on these niggas, can't fuck with being a rebel. Show the niggas that we don't settle. Show these whole ass nigga how to duck when me and bro come through him Berettas. We'll be in the trap a lot, but really big cut shit got a medal. Me and bro had bows separate, but we get it off together. Walk tall as Mount Everest. Myself, I wrote a letter. Told me we gon' go up, fuck them all, keep going till shit get better. No, I ain't high, but bitch, I don't wanna talk till I get myself together. Rainy days, I got clouds in my mind. But it's okay forever, my back, my spine. I trusted them and that shit hurt, they changed the way I ride. I trusted niggas, they broke that shit, they changed the way I see. Now I look at niggas like fuck them all, forever ride with we. I'ma keep on being the one I won't, keep being the one I be. Niggas ain't said I won't go up, gotta show these niggas. These hoes behind said I wouldn't be nothing, gotta show these hoes. Only hang with niggas, the whole ass shit be getting old. G-lock my pocket, shit like a bankroll, we gon' make them fold. Matter of fact, the one I got, they can't even fold. I'm in the room with one of the thickest hoes, got me like whoa. Bitch, me and bro post up with a bag of G-lock, don't get sold. I never know what a nigga think, so I don't trust a soul.